Can you survive a full day thinking only about cars? For some people, the thrill of getting behind the wheel isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's a way of life. Imagine being so obsessed with driving that you can't imagine living without it. Sounds crazy, right? But for those who are obsessed, driving is more than just a chore. It's a deep-seated passion that others might not understand. Many of us view driving as a necessary evil, a means to an end. We tolerate it because we have to, not because we want to. But for those who are obsessed, driving is an escape, a way to break free from the monotony of daily life. It's a chance to feel alive, to experience a rush of adrenaline as they speed down the highway. For them, driving isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey itself. So what drives people to become so obsessed with driving? For some, it's the feeling of control that comes with being behind the wheel. They love the power and freedom that driving gives them. For others, it's the connection to the machine, the thrill of fine-tuning their vehicle, of making it their own. Then some are obsessed with performance, always pushing themselves in their cars to be faster, stronger, and better. And let's not forget the explorers, who see driving as a way to discover new places, to experience new things. One guy I know took his obsession with driving to the extreme by traveling across the country in his car, sleeping on the side of the road, and living out of his trunk. For him, driving wasn't just about getting from one place to another. It was about the journey, the experience. He was drawn to the primal connection humans have with movement and exploration. It's a fundamental part of who we are, and for those who are obsessed with driving, it's a way to tap into that instinct. In the end, the obsession with driving is complex and multifaceted. Different personal needs and desires drive it. Whether it's the thrill of the ride, the love of the machine, or the joy of exploration, driving obsession is a passion that's hard to understand, but impossible to ignore. So, what about you? Are you obsessed with driving? Share your story in the comments below. And if you're curious about other unique human interests, be sure to subscribe for more content like this.